subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Hey, what's up guys, this is Kashan and today I will going to show you the specifications of LG G6. LG G6 is a very good device on the world, and now I will show you the specification first. You have seen 5.7 inches big screen, okay, and 13 megapixel. His rear camera, 4 GB RAM, wow, 3300 mAh battery, and other specification has all version LG G6 Plus. You can also see the 7.0 and network technology GSMH SPL LTE launch announced 2017 February. Status available released 2017 March. Body dynamics for 148.9 x 71.9 multiplied by 79 weight 163 gram. Bullet front back glass, Gorilla Glass 5 aluminium frame. Wow. Single SIM, nano SIM or hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM dual standby, IP68 creative void. But this is waterproof. Wow, nice. I will like this. And display type IPS LCD and size 5.7 inches. Ooh, huge. Resolution, his resolution is 1440 multiplied by 1880 pixels. And multi-touch, yes. Protection, Gorilla Glass 3, and platform OS 7 Nugget 7.0, cheapest, and CPU, GPU, quad core CPU, and the GPU and Reno 530 memory card slot, micro SD up to 264. Wow, I like this. Internal is 4 GB RAM. This camera has very good resolution, primary dual 13 megapixel, and the front LED flash. Feature geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, video as 4K video supported, scan 5 megapixel, and it's supporting 1080p. Sound alert, sound vibrate, MP3 wave, ringtones, loudspeaker, yes, 3.5 jack, and 32-bit his audio. VLAN Wi-Fi 802, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS yes, NFC yes, radio FM radio, USB 3.1 type C. Sensor, fingerprint, rear mounted assembler mode, altimeter, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer, messaging, SMS, browser, HTML5, battery, non-removable LiPo 3300 mAh battery, color mystic black, SOR 0.65 WKG, and price about 430 euro. This is very good phone. You can also buy the phone with my link in the description. You can also buy the phone and purchase the phone on your every country. So if you enjoy this video and this video for education, if you not subscribe me, then please subscribe me. I will give you these videos every day. I hope a video for enjoy you.